Hey everyone, welcome back to Incredible Insights, where we break down complex topics and make them super easy to understand. I am your host, and today we're diving into the latest updates in India's income tax structure, straight from the Union Budget 2025. Now, if you're earning money, whether from a job or a business, you probably care about how much tax you have to pay. And guess what? There are big updates that might just put more money in your pocket. New tax slabs. Here's what's changed. So, let's break this down in a way that's easy to understand. The government has changed the tax slabs, which means different income levels now have different tax rates. For example, if you earn up to 4 lakh per year, you don't have to pay any tax at all. That's zero tax, completely tax free. Now, if your income is between 4 lakh and 8 lakh, you'll have to pay tax at 5%. If you're earning between 8 lakh and 12 lakh, the tax rate jumps to 10%. From 12 lakh to 16 lakh, you'll be taxed at 15%. Between 16 lakh and 20 lakh, the tax rate goes up to 20%. If you're making between 20 lakh and 24 lakh, you'll be taxed at 25%. And finally, if you earn more than 24 lakh, you'll be paying 30% tax. Now, I know that's a lot of numbers. But the big takeaway here is that the government has introduced a more structured tax system where you get to keep more of your earnings if you fall in the lower income brackets. What about the tax-free income limit? One of the biggest headlines from this budget is that if your annual income is 12 lakh or less, you won't have to pay any tax. Yes, you heard that right. No tax at all if your income is 12 lakh or below. Now, if you're a salaried person, there's even better news. The standard deduction has been increased, which means for salaried employees, the tax-free limit is actually 12.75 lakh. So, if your salary falls under 12.75 lakh, you won't have to worry about taxes at all. That's a huge relief for a lot of people. How does this work? Let's take an example. Alright, let's make this even clearer with a simple example. Let's say you earn 15 lakh per year. How much tax do you actually have to pay? For the first 4 lakh, there is no tax. That's completely tax-free. For the next 4 lakh, which means from 4 lakh to 8 lakh, you pay 5% tax. That comes out to 20,000. For the next 4 lakh, which is from 8 lakh to 12 lakh, you pay 10%, which means 40,000. And finally, for the last 3 lakh, from 12 lakh to 15 lakh, you pay 15% tax. That adds up to 45,000. So, if we add everything up, the total tax is 1 lakh 5,000. But wait, there's a rebate under Section 87 that can help you save even more. This rebate has been increased to 60,000. That means if your total tax is 60,000 or less, you don't have to pay it at all. So, in this case, out of 1 lakh 5,000, 60,000 gets covered by the rebate and you only pay 45,000 in tax. That's a big difference. Old versus new tax regime. Which one should you choose? Now, you might be wondering whether to stick with the old tax regime or switch to the new one. Let's break it down. The old tax regime offers various deductions and exemptions. For example, you can claim deductions under Section 80C for investments like Public Provident Fund, PPF, life insurance premiums, and more. There are also deductions for health insurance premiums under Section 80D and for home loan interest under Section 24. On the other hand, the new tax regime offers lower tax rates but doesn't allow most deductions and exemptions. The idea is to simplify the tax process. So, which one is better for you? If you're someone who makes significant investments and claims multiple deductions, the old tax regime might save you more money. But if you prefer a simpler tax process and don't have many deductions to claim, the new tax regime could be more beneficial. It's essential to calculate your tax liability under both regimes to see which one offers you the most savings. Final thoughts. So, that's the big update on income tax from Budget 2025. If you earn under 12 lakh, congratulations, you don't have to pay any tax. If you're earning more, you still benefit from lower tax rates and higher rebates. I hope this episode helped you understand these changes in a simple way.
Did you find this video helpful? If yes, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And press the bell icon for new videos.